Then you have to create your own type. In this tutorial, I use the word computer graphics since we're talking about computer graphics. The font I use is Mini. You can also use other fonts. You can download any font you like at www.thefont.com. Then edit the type you want in the position you want to place it. Then after that, go to type, create outline. Then direct tool, select it. Then ungroup, click ungroup so that you can edit the text one by one. There you go. After that, you can select any place you want. Then select it all. Then go to the Fats Finder. Then click Unite so that they become as one. Then go to Effect. Then 3D. Then Extrude and Bevel. You can use or you can customize the angles you want. For me, I use my own. Turn it to mid-gray scale so that you can see. There you go. Under Object, Expand Appearance so you can select every detail you want. Then go to Direct Selection tool. Click the typeface of your type. There you go. Then click Control X to select multiple layer or things in the Illustrator. You can hold Shift button. There you go. Then create a new layer, then paste the 3D type we've got a while ago. Then bring the face um, upward, the 3D type. So it will be at the back of your face or your type face. There, then if you want to edit only the face of your text, you can lock the 3D layer down there. Then you can choose any color you want. For me, I use gradient tool. I choose any color I want, and you can also choose colors you want. Try to experiment with the color mixture of your gradient. Be creative. Yeah, here I use pink, dark violet, and light violet. There you go. Then we will try to edit the gradient tool again. If you're not satisfied with the output, after that go to layers, then click the lock button for the face, and we will edit the color of the 3D. There. You can also edit the 3D effect. I use the same color for the 3D. I just lessen the opacity to 40% so that the color of your front typeface will be much darker. Then I also use the stroke so that it will um uh, become you can see the detail. Then select all. Then adjust the size you want. There you go. Then for this, I will add extra background. So go to file, then place, then select the image you want to be as your background. For this, I choose this pink gradient background. I send it to back so that it will become your background. Then there you go, you have your 3D text. Thank you.